Hello everyone! In this video, you are going to learn how to create a survey. These features allow you to get vital information, any feedback or opinions from customers easily while valuable for shop owners. To get setting up, let's get started. First of all, you need to choose the page that you want to create a survey, then click on Manage, and then after that you go to Auto Replies and then go to Survey and Quiz. And then click on the green button and then create a survey name. After that, click Save. Here you can edit the description, or you can enable an introduction message as well. Like 20% off. We'll complete the survey. Okay, so here is the button you can edit as well. Enable introduction message here, and here is the section of the question. So I will put like customer service. You can select multiple choices or text input. So I will choose multiple choices. So good. Then like excellent, good, excellent, not bad, words. Okay. And then you can enable the to shuffle answer choices as well, like this. Okay. Then once you're done, click Save. Another one, product quality. Okay. Like any feedback on product quality. Okay, so here is the text input. So customers can type in or send a message about feedback on product quality to us. Once you're done, click Save. Okay. You can enable the ending message as well. If not, you can turn it off. Okay. Okay, so if you want customers to retake the survey, you can enable the survey button as well. Okay. I just turn it on all, and then you click the link. Make sure you are in the correct shop, and then you click. Then you send me message. Okay, so this is the survey that we just created. So let's try. So this is the survey name, and this is the description that I just typed. Okay, so this is the button. Okay, so I click Start. Okay, so this survey is asked about the customer service. So the customers can choose. So I choose answer 1. Okay, any feedback on product quality? This kind of questions customers need to type. Okay, so need to send message back to the shop owner. So by the way, please buy us more color. Okay, then I click Send. Okay, so this is the ending message. Thank you for your response. If the customers want to begin again, the customer can do as well. And this is all for the survey.